Hello world, here is BITI, your Bitcoin Trading Informant, and here is your daily Turbo Bitcoin update. Guys, this is the picture from yesterday, and this is the big downtrend channel from yesterday. And I told you guys, we are yesterday in a nice uptrend, in this green uptrend, and attention, if we will break 53,800, we may see a big drop to the downside, and we have a next target to watch. This is this target, 48,000, and look at this, guys. We lost our uptrend yesterday. We had a big spike to the downside, and yes, we saw a spike about to 46,000 and then a push to the upside. And this was a really nice thing for me because, guys, I told you this thing perfectly. So now what's going on? Let's check this. Let's zoom out a little bit more. This is still our 1 hour chart. Every candle is 1 hour. We lost this uptrend, so it's not longer a thing for us. Guys, the next thing, this line, I showed you this line here. This was a nice support, and on 53,800 we saw a breaking support or broken support and a big leg to the downside. So this leg is, or this line is not useful for us anymore. So also, guys, the next thing, watch this now. We have here the big uptrend, and yes, we are still in the big uptrend, and this was a nice buy position here on the downside. For now, we have some problems and some things to watch. Look at this. We have here, it's not necessary to watch this, not this, not this, and not this. We have here for the next thing to watch the blue middle line here. The blue middle line is our next line. That's very important for us because it is our resistance. And now I zoomed in a little bit and you can see it, guys. Bitcoin is reacting extremely on this resistance. So this red line here is now our big thing to watch. You can see it. We saw a big spike to the downside. We saw a spike up to this resistance, to the middle line. Bitcoin reacted perfectly, down again to our trend line, up again to the ribbon band and to the MA21. The blue line is the MA21, the red one is the ribbon band, and we can see Bitcoin is respecting this thing also very much. So watch this point here, watch 51,000. This is the big resistance for the moment. You can see from the upside is coming this red ribbon band. The ribbon band is a resistance, also the MA21 is a resistance. From the downside, we have this line. This, in my opinion, is one of the importantest line for the moment. This is this green support line here. Why it is? Because it is the bottom of our uptrend, guys. And as long as we're over this bottom, everything is okay, everything is fine. But if we will lose this line, if we will lose this very important support, guys, this is the price about 48,300. If we will lose it with a confirmed closing candle, this candle was a big spike, a big leg to the downside, but not a confirmed closing candle. Now, if we will see a confirmed closing candle under this line, this is the next bad picture we have to watch. In my opinion, we may see now a little sideways going Bitcoin, a fight again with the ribbon band, the red ribbon band, a fight again with the MA21. This is this blue line, and here is coming from the upside also a big resistance. That's now the EMA 200 on the 1 hour chart. This is also a big resistance, momently on 55,600. So we need to watch this, guys. It's very important. Let's look very quick on the 4 hour chart. This is the 5-minute turbo update. And on the 4 hour chart, if you zoom out a little bit more, you can see it also. Here we have a short position since this point here, since the breaking of the EMA 200, since turning this ribbon band, this green nice ribbon band, into a red one, and extreme big leg to the downside. Also here, very important, this is this line that must hold also on the 4 hour chart. Very important, guys. Let's watch on the 1 day chart very quick. We have still time, 50 seconds. Let's watch this one. Let's remove all drawings, or let's remove these drawings here, and we have some things to watch here, because here's from the downside coming also the EMA 200. This is a big support line. This is momentarily on 42,000. On this big bull run, we saw this line really ever as a nice support, and maybe we see a touch of this 42,000. That's not impossible, but this is a big time frame, and this is a magic glass reading. For the moment, you know, our green line is the important thing ever. Our red line, this is this downcoming line here, is also our important thing. Maybe we will act here a little bit in this range, and then we should see a breakout to the upside or to the downside. And maybe if we break to the downside, we see 42,000. This is the next target for breaking down. For breaking up, the next target is maybe this sign here. This is 57,000. This is the upper line of this downtrend. We are acting momentarily in a big downtrend and acting between this big downtrend. Guys, this is a 5-minute turbo update. This is all, I think this is all I need to know. And guys, very important, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. And it doesn't matter if you go long or if you go short, guys. I wish you make millions with your trade. Have a nice time. Greetings, yours BT, your Bitcoin Trading Informant. And guys, very, very, very important. This is my live stream. I'm streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week. And I am online there. If you need anything or would like to ask me anything, use the chat here. And greetings to my big boss of the channel, Cromlanch. Use this channel here for trading, for your personal trading. You have really every signal you need here on this live stream. Thank you very much and have a nice time. Greetings, yours BT, your Bitcoin Trading Informant. System activated.